Traverse landscapes and experience a visual shock beyond imagination. HS720 eye-catching debut. The 2K video camera with shock absorption can tilt 90 degrees down to take bird's-eye view shots. Optical flow adapts to various ground textures for stable hovering indoors. Brushless motor with aviation propellers for the highest aerodynamic efficiency. Built-in metallurgical gear shaft for smooth movements. Ultra-high-grade steel precision material used to create the high-quality fuselage. A military-grade battery that is safe and durable with a longer flight time of up to 26 minutes. HS720 has been redesigned from the ground up. Beautiful landscapes are everywhere. To capture this beauty, you need to find the best perspective. The HS720 helps you achieve this with ease. GPS Gloneless Dual Mode Positioning System achieves fast, accurate, and stable positioning. Real-time video transmission for a totally immersive experience. Awaken your desire for flight. See things from the air that are not possible from ground photography. Enjoy unprecedented sensory experience. With just one click, one can engage orbit mode and capture yourself with your surroundings. Each expedition can be played back perfectly. For the future, it's easy to plan. Automatically fly along the path you set. The HS720 will follow you like your shadow. Easily get professional images every time. Intelligent control program makes beginners get started effortlessly. Share your videos and pictures with one click. The RTH function will bring the HS720 back to you every time. Get yours today with the HS720.
ANAFI is a flying camera that contains cutting-edge photography software and hardware. An integrated camera uses a latest generation sensor for spectacular 4K HDR videos and 21 megapixel photos. HDR adds a far more dynamic range to the image. It's ideal for filming a sunset or a bright blue sky with exposed backdrops. ANAFI is the only drone on the market able to do this. It's a camera capable of taking unique photos and videos that just aren't possible with any other drone in the same category. The camera tilts from -90 to +90 degrees vertically and takes shots from all angles. The camera is equipped with a wide-angle lens featuring a 110-degree diagonal field of view. The optic was specifically designed to limit lens flare in all lighting conditions.
We integrated an up to 2 times lossless digital zoom and an up to 3 times standard digital zoom. The zoom led us to create a brand new smart drone called Dolly Zoom, better known as the famous vertigo effect.
This is the Kudrone mini drone. It's a unique palm-sized quadcopter that captures crisp 4K image, HD 1080p, and panoramic photos. And what's more, the Kudrone pilots conveniently and effortlessly through your smartphone. With GPS and vision positioning, it will follow you wherever you go. At only 3 ounces, its compact and lightweight design allows you to take it with you anywhere. You can even set the Kudrone to follow you and track you, so you can capture that perfect ride. Infrared and sonar sensors let you fly, even indoors. Kudrone's advanced 4K camera, positioning system, and internal balancing technology combine for precision hovering. Get that perfect shot, video, or selfie every time. Take it up a notch with a 360 spin for aerial panorama photos. And the live stream technology allows for instant sharing. The Kudrone Mini Drone. Power, precision, performance.
Hey there, we're happy to introduce you to the new Skydio 2. We're really excited about this drone, and in this video, we're going to walk you through some of the basics. Let's take a quick look at what comes with your Skydio 2. Everything ships in this awesome durable hard case. Inside the case, we have the Skydio 2, one battery, the charging power adapter, a USB-C to USB-C charging and data cable, a microfiber cloth to help keep all of the cameras smudge-free, and an extra set of propellers. The only thing that you'll need to bring to the party is your own micro SD card. The Skydio 2 requires a UHS Speed Class 3 or faster micro SD card. You can find these online or at any retail electronics or mobile phone outlet. The first thing you'll want to do after unboxing your Skydio 2 is charge up your batteries. Skydio 2's batteries are held in place by strong magnets and are charged through the USB-C port on the vehicle. Once fully charged, you'll get about 23 minutes of flight time from a single battery. Skydio 2 uses Wi-Fi to communicate with your phone and other Skydio accessories. Launching Skydio 2 is as simple as holding the launch button. When Skydio 2 is not following a subject, you have full manual flight control from within the app. But after it launches, you can tap the plus symbol on any subject in the current frame within the app to track that subject's motion. Your Skydio 2 will now follow that subject and fly itself to get the best shot. Skydio 2 can follow people or cars, and at any time during flight, you can manually take control of the drone for any reason by tapping the red stop button in the upper right corner of the app. You can easily switch between video and still photo modes via the camera settings menu at the top of the screen. Okay, let's take a quick look at some of those cinematic skills which are accessed through the button in the lower left of the screen. You can think of skills as additional ways to unlock greater creative potential when you're trying to get that perfect shot. Motion tracking is the default skill, and note that you can adjust the height and range of your shot while in most modes. Orbit locks Skydio 2 into an orbit around your subject at your desired distance and speed. Cable Cam gives you the ability to set a start and an end point to your flight and adjust the angle of the camera as Skydio 2 moves through that shot that you've defined. There are, of course, many other skills to explore here and lots of amazing creative potential to unlock, so be sure to check out our support site for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. When it's time to land, you'll want to look for a clear, flat spot away from obstacles and other people. Just tap and hold the land button to land. Skydio 2 will automatically lower itself to the ground safely. After your flight, you can use the Skydio 2 app to create clips of your flight and quickly share them right from your phone. Thanks for watching our Getting Started video, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out the helpful content on our website at skydio.com/support. Of course, if you need any help or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at help@skydio.com or chat or call us using the contact info on our support site. Have fun and safe flying.
I don't need the extra tension, cause I'm in the fourth dimension. Trapeze high in suspension. Now don't bother with the haters, cause they all be imitators. Real life manipulators. Skip it back up and see you later. I like me for me. I'ma be what I'ma be. I like me for me. I am who I wanna be. Don't need no apologies, just peace and serenity. No love to the jealousy. cause I'm in the fourth dimension. Trapeze high in suspension. Now don't bother with the haters, cause they are